Hi, I'm Julie from Thermo Kitchen, and today we're making my sugar-free banana bread. So this banana bread gets its sweetness from the bananas and either figs or dates. So to start off, we're adding 350 grams of bananas to the TM bowl. And then we add our dried fruit. And we're going to blitz that up. Okay, so now we're going to scrape down the bowl and add our coconut oil. So this recipe is also dairy-free. Okay, so just take a look here. So this is all blitzed up, and you can see that there's no remnants of fig or anything like that. Now we're just going to add some vanilla extract. Two eggs. And I've got some coconut milk here. Now you can use any milk, but I'm keeping this dairy-free. And then we're going to blitz all this up again for another 20 seconds. So this is really a quick recipe. It's my go-to for the kids when they're due home from school and I've got nothing to feed them. So we're just adding some baking powder, bicarb soda, a bit of salt, some plain flour here. The exact details of the ingredients and the method will be in the description below, and there's also a recipe link to my website. Okay, so with all that in there, we're going to mix that around. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so that's what it looks like at the moment. Just going to scrape around the outside, make sure we've got it all combined. And it already smells delicious. Not even cooked. Okay, so I've got 50 grams of walnuts here. Now I like to add walnuts and sultanas and lots of bits and pieces, some seeds maybe. But my kids aren't that thrilled when they find bits in the banana bread. So I've just added the walnuts. You can probably get away with about 50 grams of walnuts and 50 grams of sultanas in this recipe. So we're just going to mix that around for 10 seconds. Okay, so we've got a loaf tin here, and I've sprayed that with a bit of coconut oil. You can also line it with baking paper if that's what you'd prefer. And we've preheated the oven to 170 degrees. So now I'm just going to add the mixture to the loaf tin. Yum, very good. So this is my bread loaf tin, and it's probably a little bit too large for this recipe, but rather than have half a dozen different loaf tins, I just use this one. Okay, now it goes in the oven and it usually takes about 50 minutes or so, but test it with the skewer because everyone's oven is different. Okay, so here we go, pop it in the oven. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to join me on our Thermo Kitchen Facebook group. Happy cooking!